Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this freelancing course digital platform, which is jobescape.me. So to get started with the review, jobescape.me claims to help people build online income through freelancing courses in areas like digital marketing, SEOs, and web development. On the surface, it looks promising with 4.5/5 rating on Trustpilot and thousands of reviews, which make it appear trustworthy. Many users highlight the learning materials as useful for beginners, and the platform positions itself as an AI-driven way to fast-track freelancing success. But digging deeper, there are red flags. Some user reports unexpected charges, difficulties canceling, and refunds that are hard to get, raising concern about transparency. Scam detection sites even flag the platform as high risk, and Reddit discussion points the experience that feels similar to online task scam. While the positive reviews are plenty, the repeaters complain about the billing and the support makes judgment looks risky. So if you want to learn freelancing safely, more established platforms like Carousel, Skillshare, or Udemy may be the better choice for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.